Behind a small cookie is a highly intelligent automated packaging line. Sandwich cookies, traditional cookies, from manufacturing to packaging. Every step of the way, CHLB uses equipment to control every detail. Because we believe good equipment makes good products. Sandwich cookie packaging line, automatic cookie alignment, accurate up and down slice molding, flexible conveyor, anti-breakage and anti-diversion, neatly placed in the bag, neatly packaged without overlap, stable and high-speed operation, maximize capacity, compatible with different sizes and sandwich structure, not only high efficiency, but also focuses on the integrity of the appearance plus product protection. Let your sandwich cookies have better appearance and more stable quality. The competition in the market has shifted from flavor to value plus efficiency, and CHLB's sandwich cookie packaging line is the double guarantee for your brand's visual power and production capacity. Accurate molding, stable conveying, beautiful packaging, all in one line. Cookie packaging line, suitable for a variety of specifications and shapes of cookies, high speed and stable packaging, significant increase in daily output, tight sealing of the package, bag shape beautiful, easy to operate, easy to clean, easy to maintain. This packaging line, there is always a rhythm that suits you. Flexibility, stability, and intelligence are the core keywords of this packaging line. CHLB cookie packaging line, responding to your diversified market needs with one line. Established in 1998, CHLB has been specializing in the research and development, manufacturing and technical service of packaging equipment for more than 20 years. Our CE certified equipment is exported to Europe, Southeast Asia, Middle East and other regions, and is widely used in food, medical, hospitality, and many other industries. Today, we are focusing on delivering sandwich biscuit and biscuit packing line, because these are not just two sets of equipment, they represent CHLB's understanding of the product, the pursuit of efficiency, and the commitment to customer value. CHLB, professional packaging equipment manufacturer. Every step of packaging, we think farther for you. Come to CHLB. With professional equipment, let the deliciousness add up.